How can you change this iPhone settings before your device gets stolen? So, first of all, disable lock screen access to important features. Open up settings, scroll down and then simply tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode right over here. After that, you need to go ahead and simply scroll down to allow access when locked. Turn off Control Center, lock screen widget, home control, reply with message, and return missed calls. This prevents thieves from enabling airplane mode or disconnecting your iPhone from the internet. Next, head back, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services, tap on Share My Location. Make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. Also make sure Find My Network and Send Last Location is turned on as well. Then set up screen time restrictions. Inside settings, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down again, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then enable it. Now, you need to go ahead and simply block changes to Face ID, passcode, and account, then create a separate screen time passcode. And finally, turn on stolen device protection. Head back, tap on Face ID and passcode one more time. Type in your passcode. Then simply tap on stolen device protection and make sure this is turned on. That's it. These simple settings can make your iPhone much harder to steal and much easier to recover. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.